Let's see what the team thinks about Logimat 2026.
We have a briefing in the morning, just run through the plan for the day. Everyone's so busy, so we have to stick to the plan during the day. But yeah, that's lots to do.
Hey, Sichen, what are you guys doing here?
Well, just making sure that everything runs as expected. I think management is key and always thinking ahead of time. As a team, always as a team.
Let's see it. No, better other day. Hi, Marie.
Hey, we usually plan this out, a year in advance. Once we're here, we don't have a lot of time to set it up. We have less than a week to make sure everything is up and running. But luckily at Geek Plus, we're pretty strong on internal communication.
Give some details about the technology behind.
I can, but better. You should go ask Ping.
Ping, how you assure that all the solution work smoothly?
It's normal. It's everyday life to us. We do pre-testings and also reviewing the technical design in advance. Actually, I'm feel quite bored right now. Yeah.
Can you show me some goodies you have inside?
Some of our customers are just asking for this bag.
So if you want a bag, come to Hall 8, 8D57. It looks really busy today, right?
Yeah, 2 areas. I think it's been on that area.
What about having fun? Only business here or?
Do that again, I'm gonna smack.